Alright guys, so this time we are going to be going to Athens. We're actually going to see...
Alright guys, this time we're going to be going to Athens.
Okay, thanks.
I'm Stefan Tobler and I love vlog.
We're going to see Jack in Athens and it's 8 o'clock and we're leaving. And we'll be there, today is Saturday morning, and we'll be there until Monday afternoon-ish. Alright. Here we go!
Hello. Okay, now I can do it again.
Hey guys. So, we've been driving for about 2.5 hours. We got a potty break. Guess what I got? Sour Patch Kids, that's right. Sour Patch Kids and Gatorade actually. Got a little bit, a lot of them. But, you know, just something to snack on. Little sugar. And I got a water right here, you know.
Oh, Starbucks!
So, you know, Starbucks water is actually better than any other water I've ever had because I've heard they infuse it with Starbucks essential oils. And it brightens up your skin. And we're going to Athens and we're gonna have a lot of fun. And we're gonna go to Taqueria del Sol for lunch. And I'm excited. We're gonna go pick Jack up because he doesn't have a car. It's gonna be fun.
Okay, bye bye.
See you guys later. There he is! There's Jackpot! There he is!
Hello, Jack!
Hey, Jack!
Oh, we weren't picking you up. We were just gonna say hi and then leave.
There he is! Jack! Alright, so tonight we're gonna be eating at Cali and Tito's. See, there's Emma. One thing. We're not eating at the one near the school, we're eating at a different one. Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Over here. Well, that was delicious. It was really good. We got a lot of food for our money.
Yeah, my cheese quesadilla.
Yeah, and then we got a cheese quesadilla. She wasn't hungry. But hey, that's okay. Can't wait for some good food tomorrow. What are we gonna eat tomorrow? Me and Emma are going on a date.
Mama's Boy. We had to have that for breakfast because I heard that was really good.
Yeah, Mama's Boy. I heard that was really good too.
When I tried to go last time, super packed.
Woo!
It's always packed.
But yeah, going out to dinner tomorrow night. We brought our fancy clothes. I'm gonna dress up, wear a tie and a jacket, you know, looking fly as heck.
Here's the couple again.
Just cuz. Alright, see ya. So right now we are attempting to rearrange Jack's room. So this piece of furniture was over there. And this piece of furniture was right here. That's Jack. That's Emma. Jack's bed is gonna be moved long ways like this.
Did you hear me vlog about why you guys are here? What are you guys doing? Yeah.
What are we doing?
I can't see Jack.
Who am I?
That's Jack. We'll let you know you from the Belize video. Yeah, and then this thing was the hardest thing to build. It was very difficult. It looks complex. I know. And that's the little update, guys. So ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, so the start of a new day today. We're gonna go to this place called Redneck Beach. It's pretty much just like a riverbank, and it's got like an abandoned kind of processing mill next to it that we'll go check out. Emma, how was your sleep?
That's okay. I slept better.
Last night we watched Thor Ragnarok, well at least I did. Everybody else kind of sleeping. Jack watched most of it.
I watched it.
She watched 15 minutes of it.
The beginning part that I saw was really
It was pretty good. It was a good movie. I liked it. Probably one of the better Thor movies, if I had to say so myself. So now we're off. So, we have no idea where we're going. We're just kind of walking around we parked over there. But now we're just kind of walking, trying to find the Redneck Beach. We had some guy tell us that we need to park at the church where we get towed. And that we need to take some concrete spill off down to the river bank. Man, who knows? Let's walk. You want to just walk down the street? Who knows? So now we're walking down the street because I think we We have an idea of where it is. I do, at least. I know it's on the other side of where we parked it originally. But, yeah, we're just walking. We found it. We were on the wrong side of the road, but we found it. There's a police officer right behind us, like pull somebody over. We had to like walk past and act like we didn't see him, I guess. I don't know. Emma's right back there though.
Yeah, because y'all walk so much faster than me.
Apparently we walk a lot faster than her. She's got big steps, man.
Performing surgery on Jack.
Oh my
Oh my god, you almost screwed up the surgery.
Yeah, this is some serious.
It's so blurry.
Oh yeah, I've got some good looking feet. I'm in the foot business.
You're in the foot business?
Oh yeah, a model.
It's so blurry, I'm sorry. And
Gotta get that
shaky.
kicking foot in the shot. This is my good foot actually.
Alright guys, so we're done. We're leaving Athens right now. We're gonna go to Gainesville to see Emma's sister and Alex Frazier. Just to hang out, you know, visit. Jack already left for school. Where'd Emma?
Can't find my shirt.
Emma can't find her. I bet you still have it right there. I can't forget my jacket and all that stuff. Dinner was good last night. I went to this little, was it a French place? French place?
No, it was Italian.
Italian place. My bad. It was pretty good. Now? Yeah, and now we're about to leave. So, catch you on the road. So where are we, Emma?
I'm Gainesville.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah? Who are we going to see right now?
Alex.
Yep, that's right. We're going to see Alex right now. He's one of the guys who was going to stay with me. And he moved up here because his parents are going to retire here now. He's going to college. So we're going to see him, stop by, you know, say hello. Came to like our dinners and stuff like that. He was a good friend of ours. We're excited to see him. And then we're going to have lunch with the Strobergs. You know, get to see all the boys and all that. Are you excited, Emma? Yeah. It's a little good detour that we made from Athens. It's worth the hour drive. All right.
Oh, he's like adventurous.
So this is Alex. Say hi, Alex.
Hey, camera.
That's Emma good. So now we're here in some coffee shop. I'm having a mango smoothie because I don't really like coffee.
Iced teas on my latte.
And then we're gonna go over to Stroberg's house and we're just chilling, hanging out. All right.
Stephane's gonna be a guy when they go.
Hi.
So is Jack?
This is Brittany. Yes, Jack is already living up there. You're on video, Brittany. Okay. Here are the boys.
Hey. Say
Lee,
hi.
say hi.
Hi, Grandpa.
What? Lee, say hey, camera.
Hi, Grandma.
Four, say hey.
Hey, Poppy.
Okay. Hey, Roland.
Hey, Toilet Head.
Okay. Hey, Stephon.
Hi, kid. Hi, kid.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, give her.
Hey, you wanna play now? He's on there.
Yeah, sure. Let me show you.
Look, I got the robot. I got the. You see what character? Ah! Yeah, Cookie.